Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I buy storage lockers at auctions, sometimes go to estate sales, yard sales, buy and sell on eBay, that sort of thing. Today is a storage auction day. Now it's the middle of a snowstorm, which is, well, I mean the snowstorm's over, but there's a lot of snow on the ground, a lot of ice. Unusual for this area, but that's just the reality. I bought this unit. I bid on it several weeks ago actually when it first came up online. It is a 5x10 unit. I paid $10 for it, so let's go check it out. Alright, this is an interior unit. I'm looking for number 99. And I may have parked by the wrong door for this. A little bit about buying storage lockers online. You just never really know what you're going to get. I prefer to buy them in person, but more and more of these facilities are going to an online system. Oh, that's such a weird numbering system in here. A climate-controlled unit like the one that I bought rents per month for $55 here. And again, I bought it for $10. And we'll see what someone was paying to store. 97, 98. Here it is, unit 99. Now this is an unmanned facility. There's no humans here regularly. And so when they sell auctions like this, they usually put a combination lock on the unit. There we go. And this is a tamper tag, so I'll take that off as well. All right. See what we got. Okay. I'm actually seeing some promising signs. This looks better than it did online, and that is actually pretty impressive because it looked terrible online. Initially, a couple of baskets up front here, a couple of boxes in the back, some trash on the side. What I like right here is I see a keyboard there and a laptop bag. So maybe we've got a laptop. Otherwise, kind of looks like junk. We got one kind of a milk crate type thing, maybe some charging cords. So I will no light in this unit, unfortunately. So maybe I'll bring stuff out into the hallway and we'll start going through it. This was the first box at the very front of the unit. Got a trash bag on top, which I will use to put trash in. An empty windshield washer fluid box, some Tupperware, some snack food in here, like granola bars. Yeah, well, that's just kind of like junk food in there. I'll put trash in the trash bag, and I will put stuff to keep in the box. Here's the next little tote that we have. We got a lava lamp base, decorative flower, and some bathroom supply stuff. The lava lamp, okay, it is complete. I didn't see that at first, but we do have a full, complete lava lamp. All that trash. Here's another kind of bathroom unit, or bathroom box. Looks like there's some food in there as well. I'm not going to keep that, but I might scrap it. It is metal. Got Crispy O's, brand new box of Crispy O's. Wow. Over by the trash. Clothing. Cigarette case? Is that what this is? Yep. Syrup. Jam. So because there's so much food in here, my guess would be that these people were evicted and they had to pack up their stuff in a hurry. Just threw it all into whatever they had around and put it in this locker. and then they probably over time came and took some of the items that they needed or they wanted back out of the unit. And then just like they failed to pay the rent on wherever they were living, got some rice here, they failed to pay the rent on this as well. Alright, I'll set all that aside. We'll keep going. Here's that plastic crate. Let's see, I've got a cord here, but keep the cord for sure. Those. Empty bottle. This looks nice, feels like real leather. Reaction by Kenneth Cole. Leather jacket. Let's look at the tag, see if it is. Yes, 100% leather. There we go, guys. $10 unit paid for. Boom, and into the profit right here with this. Zippers look good. Nothing's broken. No big tears. Nothing messed up on it. Fantastic find. Fantastic. What else? Here's a purse. Franco Sarto. Not familiar. Nothing inside of it. Is there any tag? No, I don't think it's a very expensive purse. There's no like serial number in it. Made in China. Yeah. It's a cheap purse. Got a pair of earrings. Got some more. It's a pillowcase. Some CDs. Alright. The rest of that is trash. Down in here, wow, we've got a brand new package unopened of Ricolas. No, that's an open package. Down here, some more CDs. I'll set those aside. And we've got a pair of Converse All Stars. Not in good shape, but in good enough shape that I will set them aside for now. Take a closer look at them later. More bathroom supplies, looks like, in the rest of this. Here's the computer bag. We'll open that up and go through it together. This is also Kenneth Cole, so just the bag itself is more than the locker. Got a USB keyboard. I prefer finding the USB ones as to wireless because the USB ones almost always work. We do have a charging cord inside here. That's a good sign. We've got some little wooden discs. Don't know what those are. The other pockets in that are empty. Let's check the back, a zipper pocket. Nothing inside there. Now for the main pocket, let's see what we got. There's a laptop. We do have a laptop. Acer, so nothing too exciting here. Some sort of connecting cord there. Let's open it up. It's dirty. Real bad shape. Running Windows 7, so older. Probably only good for parts, but even still, as parts, it's worth more than what I paid for the locker. Here's another jacket. Looks pretty nice. It's a Swiss Tech, a brand that I used to like a lot. Swiss Tech. Inside the pocket, we've got a pair of sunglasses. Are they prescriptions? Don't seem to be. Looking for a name on them. There we go. Just says polarized. Anything else in there? Not in that pocket. 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 Alright. Still a nice jacket. Next we have this Walmart reusable shopping bag. And it looks like we've got slippers in here, shoes. There's a water bottle. shoes, just Walmart brand. Cowboy boots, hey, those are good. Even in bad shape, cowboy boots are pretty easy sell. These are Laredos, nice. Nothing fancy, but they should be sellable. Nothing else down in there other than this. Nothing. Alright. Got a purse here that's got some stuff in it. So let's start on this side. What do we have? Perfume. Looks like makeup stuff in there. Nothing exciting. I don't want to dig around too much in this stuff without gloves on. I can't believe I forgot to bring some, but I did, so it is what it is. Put some hand sanitizer in there, some chapstick, some pens. Nothing too exciting. Alright, now the inside of the purse. Here's a wallet. Set that aside for now. A lot of papers in there. There's a checkbook. Just flipping through to see if there's any cash. I don't know why there would be cash in a checkbook, but it seems like as good a place as any to check. This is good. This is good. All right, look at that. Here we have a little baggie that is got what looks like some jewelry in it. I mean, it is jewelry. Might be gold. It's gold in color, and it's, you know, not so big and clunky that it obviously is not real gold. So there's a possibility we could have some real gold here. I'll make sure I set that aside. That'd be a fantastic find. Back to the purse though. What else do we have in here? Looks like nothing else. All right. So now on to this. Driver's license. Don't want to show that. We have a Sam's Club card, like a membership card. We've got a pendant in here. It's just stainless steel. This other side, we've got nothing really. There's a Kmart card here. Is this a gift card? It's an award card. Might be. I don't know. I'll check that out further. All right. So let's see what we got. Sprint. Bag here with a Galaxy A50 box in there. Good paperwork though. What else? Got another wallet. In wallets, I'm looking for cash and gift cards. Those are the things you find in wallets. Don't see any cash. Here's a Walgreens card. That could be a gift card. Check that out. Nothing else. There's a check here. Let's see what the check says. That's just blank. Just a blank check. Some ruled paper. Tax papers. Set those aside for now. Got a happy birthday thing. Don't know that brand. I think it's a brand. Kind of feels like middle of the road quality. Have to look it up, of course. Again, purses aren't my specialty. I'll show you that name. Hopefully you can read that. Feels like it's mostly empty. There's one pen inside of it. Otherwise, it's empty. Nice bag though. This is kind of gross. Garbage. It's made in China. Gallatin Church of the Nazarene cookbook. Looks like some bedding here. Yeah. Another purse. Zipper's broken on this one. It is a Attention is the brand on there. Never heard of it. All it's got in it is a couple of pieces of paper. Garbage. Alright. Got some happy birthday candles that are used. Garbage. Some more paperwork. Another wallet. Check that out quick. Looks like nothing in it. Any change in the change pouch? Nope, nothing. This is something. I think it's a cozy for a cup. I'll set it aside for the time being. Here we go. These are earrings. There are letters. Probably not worth much, but $1 or $2 maybe. Wow, look at that, a floppy disk. Here's an eyeglasses case. Hard candy. Might set that aside. See if it is anything. A lot of pens down in here. Keys for a Century lock. Set that aside. Alright, that looks like everything that there was in that purse. The purse itself is in bad shape. Galaxy tablet, but pretty sure it's an empty box. Got a cord in it. I'll save the cord. Anything else? Whoops, destroying the box. Nope, tablet's not in there. Nothing else is in there. Trash. This is a paper cutter. Somebody bought it for $1 at a yard sale. Got some New Balance shoes. Faded Glory skinny pants. Got some jars. Some tape. Christmas decoration. Anything else? Some sort of Simon thing. I'll set those aside. Alright, everything else looks like garbage. Here's the other box. Let's see what we got. Alright, this one looks like clothing. Bobby Brooks. This is a school shirt, Belmont University. What do we have here? Suco, not familiar. Some jeans, Lee, not bad. Croft and Barrow, not bad. What else? Bathroom stuff, couple of purses. Let's check out the purses. Anna. It's the brand there, nothing inside of it. In good shape though, so I'll set it aside. This is a pretty cheap, chintzy looking purse. It's been used, but there's nothing inside of it. I cleaned it out. Not in very good shape on the inside. More denim here. Anything else of interest in here? Bathroom stuff. Another pair of shoes here. Skechers? No, Avia. Alright, that looks like everything there is. Alright, I have my van all loaded up. I just finished sweeping out the unit. You always have to make sure you do that and leave the unit nice and clean. A lot of times that is a term of these auctions. I always try to do a good job. Be nice to them and hopefully they'll be nice to you. Cleaned out the unit, got everything packed up, so now let's go check out some of that stuff that we found. Alright, big moment here. We're going to see if this laptop will actually turn on. I did just plug it in and the little orange light came on, so that's a good sign. There we go. Get it opened up. Alright. Well, at least it powers on. Let's see. What's the enter key would be here? There it is. Alright. Well, it looks like it's gonna start up. Of course, I'm not a computer guy. I'll just sell it as is, 4 parts, not working. You know, give people the information they can about it. But that should more than pay for the locker, and then anything else that I'm able to sell will be just profit. Here are all the smalls that came out of that unit. Dump them out here quick. Oops. Alright, so I did find some more jewelry. Going through the purses carefully. Stuff was tucked inside. Some of the clothes had stuff in it. Found this cell phone. It's not really worth much. I do save them though. You can sell lots of cell phones on eBay. They have some scrap value. That set of earrings that we looked at earlier. There's this Walgreens gift card that has, get ready, 25 cents on it. Did find a couple of rings. Nothing that's anything better than costume jewelry. Just cheap stuff. This one bracelet here. That pair of earrings that we saw earlier. And then that stainless steel cross. And then there was this little baggie. So we're going to open this up now and see. We're hoping might have some gold in here. There it is. Looks like we got 3 pairs of earrings and a little chain. So I will check that stuff out and let you know what it is. Alright, that little pair of earrings right there is just costume, as is that little pair of post earrings down there. Up here, that is rolled gold 10 karat, and down here is 1/20th 14 karat gold filled, so not really valuable as anything other than just costume jewelry basically. It's too bad we didn't find any gold, but still a fun little pile to go through. It has been a few days since I picked up that unit. You can see all the snow is melted. It's about 70 degrees now, so it's warmed up quite a bit. I did sell that laptop. I got $25 selling that laptop as parts, and then I'd say there's probably another 30-40 bucks worth of odds and ends from that unit. I ended up with 1 box full of clothes. I'll sell that leather jacket, that Swiss Tech jacket, the cowboy boots. So not a bad little unit, but nothing too exciting. Again, I just do this as a hobby. I used to do it for a living, and we bought a lot of units, a lot of big units. But now I just do it as a hobby. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please check back for more content like this.